Well, good morning, guys. Today we are here at Guarantee RV in Junction City. Today we're looking at a used 2016 Northland 27 RLSS. We're going to start on the outside and kind of work on the going on to the inside. So we have a nice awning that goes all the way through. You are going to have some marine grade speakers, and then you're also going to have power jacks all the way around it and in the very front. You would have 7-gallon propane tanks, and the cool thing with this is you're going to have a underbelly kind of heated, insulated, covered, and it's going to weigh about 6,200 pounds dry, so a truck, SUV can tow it. Onto the inside, as soon as you walk in, you are going to have 2 reclining chairs to the left. You're going to have a tri-fold couch, kind of like a sofa bed. And you're going to have a big U-shaped dinette where you can get all the family members around playing some cards. Across from that, you're going to get the sink, the 3 stove burner top, a oven, your big fridge and freezer, and you're going to get the TV mounted into the wall with some storage underneath. Once you step into the bedroom, which has a door, you are going to have closet space on both sides. You're going to have storage underneath the bed, and you will have plug-ins right by the bed, so you can plug in your machines or your phone or whatever you got. On into the bathroom, you are going to have a walk-through, so you're going to have a door in the closet and then a separate door into the master bedroom. You're going to have a toilet on to the right, a shower with a glass enclosure, and then your sink beside that. Thank you guys for joining in, looking at this Northland trailer with me here at Guarantee RV. If you do have any questions, please hit the link below. And if you do have a phone number, give me a call or a text at 541-232-4465. I'll usually respond a little quicker. Thank you guys once again.